Designing a Zen garden involves creating a peaceful and harmonious outdoor space that promotes tranquility, mindfulness, and a sense of calm. These gardens are often inspired by Japanese Zen Buddhism and emphasize minimalism, natural elements, and careful arrangement. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you design your own Zen garden. Choose a location. Select a quiet and serene spot in your yard that receives plenty of natural light. The location should be away from distractions and provide a sense of privacy. Select a design theme. Decide on the overall theme or style you want for your Zen garden. Traditional Zen gardens often feature gravel or sand raked into intricate patterns to symbolize water or waves. But you can also incorporate plants, rocks, and other elements. Create a focal point. Choose a central focal point that draws attention and serves as the core of your garden. This could be a large rock, a beautifully shaped tree, a sculpture, or a simple meditation seat. Choose elements. Zen gardens typically include a combination of natural elements such as rocks, gravel, sand, plants, water features, and pathways. Each element should be carefully chosen to contribute to the overall sense of tranquility. Rocks and gravel. Arrange rocks in a balanced and aesthetically pleasing manner. You can use different sizes and shapes to represent mountains or islands. Surround the rocks with raked gravel or sand to create the impression of flowing water or ripples. Plants. Select plants that are low maintenance, simple, and evoke a sense of calm. Traditional choices include mosses, evergreen shrubs, bamboo, and Japanese maples. Group plants in small clusters to create pockets of greenery. Pathways. Design pathways that guide visitors through the garden. Use stepping stones, gravel, or wooden planks to create a natural and organic flow. Curved paths encourage a slow and mindful stroll. Water features. If space allows, incorporate a small water feature like a reflecting pool, a small pond, or a bamboo water fountain. The sound of trickling water can enhance the sense of serenity. Furniture and seating. Place simple and unobtrusive seating options strategically around the garden. A wooden bench or meditation cushion provides a space for quiet contemplation. Lighting. Install soft and subtle lighting to illuminate the garden during the evening hours. Lanterns, string lights, or ground-level lighting can create a calming atmosphere. Maintenance. Regular upkeep is essential to maintain the Zen aesthetic. Rake the gravel or sand patterns, trim plants, and remove any debris to keep the garden looking pristine. Personal touches. Add personal elements that bring meaning to the garden, such as small statues, engraved stones, or symbols that resonate with your sense of mindfulness and inner peace. Remember, the key to a successful Zen garden is simplicity and intentionality. Each element should have a purpose and contribute to the overall sense of tranquility. By carefully arranging these elements and creating a harmonious design, you can create a space that fosters mindfulness, relaxation, and a deep connection with nature.